Hey everyone, welcome to the Hour of Code Week. So I wanted to start with reminding you that here is the Hour of Code website, so code.org/learn, and you have all of the games that you may need for Hour of Code. You have pre-reader, grades 2 through 5, grades 6 through 8, and beyond. So you can use this as just an extra resource to have your learners check out. And with that, I'm going to go ahead. So this is CodeSpark Academy. And over here, if you didn't log in your students, that's fine. Down here is the Hour of Code. You can go ahead and click on that. And there are 2 games to play. You can do the Foos, Learning to Code, or Snoopy Snowball. And I'm going to actually show you the Snoopy one today. Click through these pictures. So it is a tutorial for you and your students. You can show this and share this in a whole group. Go ahead and click, and you'll work on dragging the actions up to the board. And with this, you'll also, there is sound to it, and so you'll have to switch which direction you're throwing. And it's just a good tutorial to work with your kids to start with coding. We'll have Codable. And with Codable, your students are going to log in. So remember, you would have had to have set up this on your computer first. But you could also play without saving.
Help Blue Fuzz get to the end of the maze. Which way? Correct. Now which way should... Correct. Now which way? When you think you have the correct code, press the play button to test it.
You also have Tinker, and again, this one you could sign up on your laptop and do a dashboard and log your students in so you get their progress. But you can also just bring up the Tinker app and make sure it says Tinker for Schools up at the top. And you have 2 games that you can play. You can play Space Cadet or Dragon Spells. They can also do projects as well. So here's Project. You have the different actors or characters that can be moved around, and the students will go to their project, and up at the top where you see the coding, they can change and move around the different actions to make their characters do different things. When they're ready, they would then hit play over here, and it would show their characters in the background, so they can play around with that and they can save their projects. And then with that, there's also other projects about Minecraft, robotics, and they can go in and tinker with these pre-made worlds already set up, and they can move into different actions inside of them. Alright, the last one I want to show you today is Swift Playgrounds. So when you go into Swift Playgrounds, you're going to hit New Playground, and then this is where you're going to get the Learn to Code. You have to go, so I'm going to go back. So you'll hit New Playground, and then you'll hit Get. So it will have to download, and it'll take just a second for it to download for the kids. I'm going to go ahead and open the one that I have already downloaded. And this is where they will need to read and ask and figure out what it's asking for them to do.